Let's see if all these athletes have it, standing behind their blocks. All right. So we go across, and in lane 3, that's Michael Camp.
They ran on the Jamaica 4x100 team at the 2017 World Championships. For Usain Bolt putting up in his final race.
Yeah, this is Javari Tom representing Dynamic. He's in lane 4, 6.75 from him.
200 meters, so the 60. Little baby.
Yeah, Gary Card in lane 5.
He's a monster. Gary Card has decided to forego his final year eligibility at Wolmer's. He's at the University of Technology.
Davison representing Sprint Tech these days.
Anchored the 3, he's in great form.
They're always confident. He's a collegiate 100-meter champion from Michael University College.
Yeah, was part of Jamaica, anchored the mixed 4x1 team in qualifying.
And Sachin Dennis of Elite Track Club. They're in lane 8.
The thing waiting. We've been waiting for years to see the very best. He hasn't been able to put together complete seasons, always hampered by injuries.
So the last to get inside is block. Sandre Davison and the Adidas red card. Let's see what will be on the cards this evening for section B. 60 meters. Jason Lewis of swept in 1. Usually out quickly. Washington Kumi gets out quickly. Lewis comes close in that hard, and Davison. Wow, what a finish. What an evening he's had. Wonderful ankle leg. Take section B of the men's 60 meters, 6.51.
Elite Track Club, dynamic speed, back to elite. Now at sprint, Sandre Davison may well have found a home at GC Foster College. Terrific start on the inside as expected for Boy. Way well, but the acceleration we've become accustomed to from him, or it could well be because alongside him is another man who has great acceleration. Davison, 6:51 for Davison, Card 6:52. That's all you expect it to be in the 60.
So these 60 meters close and very exciting as we would have expected. Davison 6.552 and Krumi 6.57. Foster 6.60. Lewis won the same time as Dennis out there from Elite Track Club and Javari